Hi, this is Lisa from Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to explain how to use a feed for your blog and why feeds are important. As you can see on the top of my blog, I have my feed, and it's an RSS feed. So that syndicates your content. And a lot of places online where you want to constantly have your content shared out there, you need a feed. I still use FeedBurner. It's old, it's a Google product, but it still works. It's been around forever. And I'm going to click on it to show you why I like it. Because it actually shows you the content. There were different ways to subscribe. If you can still do these if you like, you can choose your reader, or you can get it delivered by email. That's the best. Love that feature. Has your logo on top if you set it up correctly. And it shows all your blog posts. You can have it show just the beginning of a blog post or the whole blog post. And if you click on any of the blog posts, it takes you right to the site. So having your own feed is very important for bloggers. And having a spot where you can actually show it off is even better. I notice a lot of folks don't. Some people have the feed set up that all you see is the back end of their site and you don't see what you saw on mine. So that's why I'm doing this video kind of as a little tutorial. So that people can sign up by email, you have it front and center. Of course, you can also have your email here as well. You can have it at the top of your site. You can have pop-ups. There's all different ways of using sign-ups for your email. I also use the hello bar as well, which is a pop-up. And I have a new guide, 20 plus places to share your content. So when people sign up, they have that free guide. So you can offer free things as well to get people to use email. A few months ago, I used to have all my social networks up here, but why do I want to send them to Facebook, Twitter, etc.? I'd rather keep them on my own blog, right? Your blog is your home, it's your own property. You make the rules, you get to change the rules. Social media, they can change on a dime. You can be kicked off sites, as we've seen a lot of the past several months. So make sure you have the blog feed set up. I use it for something called Triber. If you're not familiar with Triber, it's a great tool for bloggers. You share others' content, they share yours. You can have it set automatically or you can go in manually. It takes me about 5 minutes a day. Don't do it every day, but it's a great tool. I get a lot of people sharing that content through mostly LinkedIn and Twitter. There's also Viral Content Bee and a Buzz. That one works with Flipboard, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and I believe Facebook. So you have different ways of sharing content and having others share yours, but they all start with a blog feed. If you have that RSS feed for your site, that's what you need to get started. So there's a lot of tools. I do mention them also, the places to share content, that free guide. So if you do sign up for email here, you will learn a few more places, and I will be adding to that guide as more places come up. A lot of places they switch. You know, some come up online, others go offline. Twitter had not allowed their API on certain apps and programs, and then they did, and so things change quickly. So that'll be something that I will be updating. But I just thought I would get that out for everyone to make sure you have an RSS feed for your blog, the reasons why, and how to have it set up properly if you're using the FeedBurner. It's a great tool. It's really quick to set up. Just go Google FeedBurner and you can start setting yours up. It even shows you when you log into your Google FeedBurner how many people subscribe, have read it, so you'll have some stats in there as well. So there's also Feedly and probably another dozen or two feeds that you could try as well. I'll be talking about those sometime in the future. Have a great day.